guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I did this look right here. It's this a really pinky look. I got the pink cheeks, the pink nose. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but my nose is like really pink and it's super cute. And my pink eyeshadow, everything is just pink today. But anyway, so if you guys want to see how I create this look, then just keep on watching. So I went ahead and did my right eye, just to see where, you know, kind of like see where it was going. And I like the way it came out, so this is what we're going to go with. So I went ahead and I concealed my eye with the LA Pro Concealer and in the color Natural, and I set it with the Wet n Wild contouring palette with the lighter side, and this is in the shade Caramel Toffee 758. To begin with the eye, I'm going to go in the James Charles palette, and I'm going to use an orangey color very, very lightly. This one right here. Where is it? This a bright orange. Can y'all see that? This bright orange is what I'm going to use for my transition, but I'm going to go in super, super lightly. As you can tell, you can barely see it on this eye. It's just so that it's not all just pink because I want it to have a little bit of like a transition instead of just being all one color. And you can barely see it. There's some pink on this brush already, but it's fine. Okay, so once I have that, I'm going to go in the pink color, which is this bright pink on the end corner from the James Charles palette. To deepen in the color, I'm going to go in my Afrique Julius palette in the color Binto. I'm not sure. It's this pink color right here. And I'm going to use a flatter brush and go in a little bit deeper. It's just a darker pink. So after I have that on the eyelid, I'm going to go in the color Fifi. Oh, I named one of my teddy bears Fifi one time. Anyway, so it's this pink color and it's a shimmering pink, and I'm just going to apply that with a flat brush all over the lid. So I'm going to use this fluffy brush to kind of like blend out the edges so it doesn't look harsh. It is a clean brush and it's a little bit dense, so it helps kind of like erase that line that I have going on. So I went ahead and added a little bit more orange to each side just to bring it out some. But I'm done with the eye look. I don't know if I'm going to add any eyeliner or anything like that, just because one, I think I'm out of eyeliner, and two, I'm not really much of an eyeliner person. I'm going to go in my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, and this is just my moisturizer, and I'm going to apply a little bit of dots on my face and moisturize. For primer, I'm going to go in the Professional Primer and just apply that on my cheeks. Anyway, so for foundations, I'm going to be using two of the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. One is color 310 and the other one is 312, and I'm going to mix these in. I'm trying to use less foundation than I usually use, and I hate it because I feel like I get zero coverage, but I use so much foundation and it gets all in my hair and stuff, so I've been trying to use less foundation. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Medium and the Maybelline the Maybelline concealer. It's like the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Sand. And to bronze up my face, I'm going to also be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Cafe. To set my under eyes, I'm going to go in the Makeup Revolution Banana Powder. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color Medium Deep 30. To bronze up my face, I'm going to use the Hoola from Benefit bronzer. So I'm going to finish my eye look, and I'm going to go in the James Charles palette with this pink color right here, and we're just going to apply that on the lash line, and we're just going to connect it upward. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, I fucked this one up, but it's okay. I'm going to do my blush, and I'm going to go in the BH Cosmetic Professional Blush Palette, and I'm going to go in this color right here on the top. Okay, so I'm done with my look. I had to switch out the inner corner for Starlight in the Mayan Gold highlighter because the other one was just too pink for me and I didn't like it. But let me tell you guys, I am in love with this freaking highlighter. It's so pretty. Look, it's just got like, I don't know what it is. I haven't seen a highlighter like this, and it's really cute and I like it. But yeah, so this is the final look. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.